Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to manage account in Google Drive on iPhone. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support this channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, here of course you just have to open your Google Drive, and after if you wanna manage your account that connected to your Google Drive, just go ahead to this profile at the top right in the corner. And now go ahead to this manage account on this device. And after, this is many accounts on my devices, yeah guys. So if you wanna remove it from Google Drive on your device, you just have to tap on the toggle beside the account's name. You just have to tap and disable it like this. For example, the first option, which is the first account, and if you're done, you just have to tap on this done option at the top left, and after it will automatically gone for the account that you disabled it before. So yeah, I think it's enough guys. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.